Hello and welcome to TrojanArt.com. This is my website for the class, and this is just a basic introduction of what to expect on open house back to school night. You can view this on my website, TrojanArt.com, and here's what I'm going to cover. So, this is Trojan Art, and the reason we call it Trojan Art is because our mascot is the Trojan, and this is art class. So, my name's Mr. Wing, and I am your student's art teacher. I have a background in graphic design, illustration, cartooning, animation, etc. I've been teaching for 11 years. Again, the webpage is TrojanArt.com. And this is the link to the open house Zoom. So you can just click here and go there. It's also down here. So when I'm finished with this presentation and you're done reading it, watching it, you can click that and it'll go to my Zoom, which is on September 8th. So what to expect in art this year? I expect the students to have a lot of fun in my class. One of the things that I really hope that students will have is a place where they can come in and breathe a sigh of relief. So my expectations is that students will come in and just kind of go, okay, let's have some fun. Let's do some art. There are requirements. There are standards and expectations that will be covered both on the syllabus that your student should have brought home to you and had you look over and sign and return. And then more expectations will be coming. You can always find them on this website. I do have a Google Classroom. I haven't assigned it yet, but I'll be assigning it this week. And all of the assignments will be there in case students miss for any reason. If they're out sick or on vacation or extended holidays, you can always go to Google Classroom and your student will know how to log into that. My grading is very simple. I grade 80% on participation, effort, and 15% on craftsmanship. You'll notice that only leaves 5% for skill. Some of your students coming into the classroom already have drawing skills. I hope to increase them. For students that don't have any drawing skills at all, we literally start with a stick figure. So right now we're working on an assignment that will be showing up on your students' web pages. Every student in my class will have a web page, so you can see the artwork as it's finished and as they do reflective writing on it. We will also have a series of gallery openings, and I'm calling it a gallery opening, but we'll be posting things in the auditorium on the walls. And also, teachers have requested artwork to be posted in their classrooms as well. So your students are going to get a lot of publicity. The program is going to get a lot of publicity, and I just hope, again, that this is a place where students can come and relax and learn. As I said, this is a standards-based program, so everything that we cover in here, including the elements and principles of art, will be worked into all of the projects that we do in here. So if you have any questions, you can always email me if you come to the website, TrojanArt.com. My email address is right here, jwing2@sandy.net. And I'm in room 203, so if you need to call me for whatever reason, you can call and leave a message on my school phone, which is extension 2203. There's a links page in here also that have links to various things that we're going to be talking about in class, including, as I mentioned down here, the Common Core standards, which are national. And also there's a link on here for the California art standards. Both of those links are down here at the bottom. So if you click on this one here, you can click on this PDF and you can go to the California art standards. I hope that you have previewed this before coming to open house on Wednesday night, the 8th of September, and have a lot of questions for me, which I'll be more than happy to answer. Remember that we only have 10 minutes per class, so I won't be able to get into any specifics, but I hope you'll come and ask me any questions that you might have. And have a great afternoon.